Bikini-clad mannequins really embarrass women and turn men to sexual crime. Well, Mumbai's municipal body clearly thinks so and has passed a proposal to ban them, they say, to check crimes against women. Ritu Taude, the corporator who mooted that proposal, has gone a step further, saying all lingerie advertisements on hoardings, television and in print should also be banned.
Harmless and lifeless? Or are these ladies in plastic promoters of sex crimes? Mannequins displaying lingerie on the streets of Mumbai, too hot for Maximum City's netas to handle. So, Mumbai corporators closed ranks and did what they do best, banned all skimpily clad mannequins.
ये जो मैनिक्विन्स है, ये जो बाहर रास्ते पे शॉपकीपर खड़े करते हैं, महिलाओं का एक टाइप न्यूड बोलते हैं ना, ऐसा प्रदर्शन किया जा रहा है. लॉन्चरीज के ऊपर साड़ी या ड्रेस पहनाओ, दैट इज नो मैटर, उसके खिलाफ मैं नहीं हूँ. लेकिन जो 2 पीस डाल के लॉन्चरीज को सामने खड़े करते, महाराष्ट्र में जो रेप केसेस बढ़ रहे हैं उसमें बढ़ावा मिल रहा है.
Though the proposal needs a final nod from the municipal commissioner, Tavde now wants a ban on all forms of lingerie advertisements as they could pollute young minds.
मैम बताइए कि आपने कुछ स्टडी किया है, कुछ साइंटिफिक रिकॉर्ड है आपके पास कि जो लोगों ने सेक्स क्राइम्स किए हैं, कितने में से उन्होंने मैनिक्विन्स को देखकर किए हैं? ऐसा कुछ आपने स्टडी किया है?
ऐसा तो मुझे किसी ने आके बोला नहीं है कि हमने मैनिक्विन्स को देखा. अगर किसी ने बोला होगा तो उसको पहले ही हम पकड़ के.
तो ये आपका ओपिनियन है, परसेप्शन है कि इससे सेक्स क्राइम बढ़ सकता है, ये कोई स्टडी नहीं है.
Dumbfounded, Mumbaikas asked, what's the big deal?
Sex crimes are committed by people who have a twisted mentality, and basically if they want to be, if you like, sexually aroused, all they got to do is to switch on the net. It's all over the net. So what are we talking about? I mean, it's really absurd, and that's why I think, you know, the big moron corporation is a good title for BMC.
I think it's absolutely rubbish. There's no such thing as looking at a mannequin and relating it to all the sexual crimes.
If a person has a dirty mind, he has it.
Moral policing. For years now, Mumbai has been subjected to it. And many believe this is just another example of the whims and fancies of our politicians which are on display. Even if this ban is implemented, it may not make too much of a difference. But that's hardly the point. The larger worry, today, it's just these mannequins. Tomorrow, it may be something which affects your fundamental rights. In Mumbai, Tejas Mehta for NDTV.